Okay, this is it, the moment of truth. Something I've been working on for a while. Pulling the engine out, rebuilding it, putting it all back together again. Last time I do that, I'll tell you that much. So anyway, now I got everything hooked up. I've double checked and triple checked. See if that pays off. But let's start it, see what happens. So this is it. I've disconnected the gas. I don't want to run it on gas yet. There's a pipe that I want to replace, which has gone kind of a little bit hard, so I'm not going to run it on gas. I'm going to run it on petrol first, but I'm going to have to bleed the petrol through the line because there's still a lot of air in everything. The water, power steering, the oil in the engine, that needs to at least get cycling again. I've primed that, so we'll see if that works alright. I'm actually quite nervous. I really don't know if I want to do this. Okay, so here we go. Let's let's do this. That's a good start. Now we'll just leave it like that and we'll prime the petrol. Okay, so I've primed the fuel. I'm going to have one more attempt. Here we go. Oh, almost. Let's try again. Come on, you can do it. Get that fuel pumping. Okay, it's pretty shitty. Okay. So it runs, which is a good thing. It's very loud. Now I'm guessing that the oil pump hasn't actually got the oil cycling through everything. So I might just run it again and find out if the oil is actually pumping through or not. I have primed the oil, so we'll see. Okay, here we go again. Come on, please. Let's take a look. Okay, I know what that is. It's the power steering fluid going down, so I'm going to top it up again. Okay, so while I was replacing the power steering, I also checked the oil, and there was no oil. So I'm thinking that the oil pump has pumped it all the way through the engine, and 6 litres isn't enough, even though it says full on the dipstick. So I dumped in probably about another 3 litres. So we'll start her up again and see if that noise goes away, which I'm thinking that's the reason why.